went on forever, knowing every turn along those trails. Dad and I would sometimes go together. The work took him away more every year. With the coming of the winter, I grew cold like the weather. Somehow things are never very clear. It was hard to watch the sun go down on another day when darkness came, took my hope away. My father was the one who never was around, passed by like a train to a northern town. I'd awake to the sound of rolling thunder as the big wheels broke the silence in our town. It was like a celebration when he stepped down at the station, but I guess I knew he'd only let me down. He was only with us for the weekend, said he had a lot of things to do. I had so much to show him, but already he was going, and we waved goodbye to the man we barely knew. It was hard to watch the sun go down another day when darkness came, took my hope away. My father was the one who never was around, passed by like a train to a northern town. Well, I'm not saying that he didn't love me, I just think he didn't understand. Looking back, I wish things had been different, 'cause I only got to know him secondhand. Now when I watch the sun go down another day, there's one I know he loved me in his way. I'll no longer be alone. My dad, he has come home, and I'm with him on a train to a northern town. I'll no longer be alone. My dad, he has come home, and I'm with him on a train to a northern town.
Now that's fucking songwriting.
That's a great song.
John,